Hey guys, what's up? I am Nikhil from Dope Motions, and in this After Effects tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create this dynamic Netflix styled logo animation inside of After Effects. There are a lot of different techniques that we will cover throughout this tutorial, like the 3D camera animation, this cool edgy color look to our logo, and many other different things. So with that said, let's jump straight into After Effects and get started. Are you guys looking for some amazing After Effects templates to showcase and promote your brand, company or business? If yes, then make sure to check out my Video Hive page Mean Machine, where we make amazing After Effects templates just for you. Check out the link in the description below. Alright guys, so here we are in After Effects. Let's start with creating a new composition. Going to keep this 1920 by 1080, that is full HD, 30 fps and 10 seconds long. Call this render as our main render comp. Press OK. Then let's create another new comp. This is going to be our logo placeholder. So let's call this logo. And I'm going to set the height and width to 1080. Press OK. Drag and drop in the logo that you want. I'm using the Netflix logo. You're free to use any logo of your choice. You can also use a text if you want to. Then let's create another new comp. Call this outline. Drag the logo composition into this, and then go into effects and presets and search for an effect called light sweep. Double click to apply that, and I'm going to move this one right here. Let's change the light reception from add to cutout and change the color to a nice dark red color. Bring down the sweep intensity to 0 and increase the edge intensity to 75. Let's also increase the width like so. So somewhere around 150 should be good. Now let's go ahead and rotate this direction. So let's set this to somewhere around -50 should be fine. And animate the light sweep. So I'll move this all the way down like so. Create a keyframe on the center, go to 2 seconds and set this right over here. So now if I preview this, we have this nice kind of a revealing animation. Looks pretty good. Hit U, go right over here, press T to bring down the opacity, create a keyframe. I'll go to around 3 seconds and set this to 0. Then press U so we can see all the keyframes, select them and press F9 to ease them. So we have this really nice animation as you can see. Let's go ahead and add some glow to this. So go into effects and presets and search for glow. Let's increase the glow radius to around 50. And the intensity, I'll keep it at around maybe 1.5 or 2. So that is looking pretty nice. Now let's duplicate this, press Ctrl D and rotate this direction to around 120 degrees. So we get this really nice look. Also, I'm going to bring down the edge thickness to 3. For this one and the first one as well. So now if I preview this, we have this really nice reveal as you can see. Pretty cool. So far so good. Now let's go back to our main render composition and drag the outline comp that we just created. So here we have our Netflix logo. Then let's right click and create a new camera. Going to keep this. Let's select the 28mm preset, press OK. Turn this layer into a 3D layer. So I'm going to press F4 and turn on this into a 3D layer. Let's select this layer, hit P to bring down the position and set this to 1000. Duplicate this, press Ctrl D. Hit P to bring down the position and set this to 0. Then duplicate this again, press Ctrl D, press P to bring down the position, set this to -1000. Press Ctrl D to duplicate this again, P to bring down the position, set this to -2000, and the same way I'm going to create a bunch of copies. and finally minus 11,000. All right, now let's go ahead and animate our camera. So I'm going to select the camera, press P to bring down the position, create a keyframe. Let's bring that at the very start, go to around 3 seconds and zoom that out. So something like that. And I can delete this. Let's pull this up to around 3 seconds. So I know right now it looks pretty weird, but we are going to fix this. So hit page down 3 times to jump 3 frames forward in time. Select everything. Hold Alt and right square bracket to crop them. And then select the first layer, select the last layer, holding Shift. Go into Animation, Keyframe Assistant and Sequence Layers. Hit OK and let's drag them out like so. And now if I preview this, we have something like this. But obviously we need to tweak a little bit of our keyframes. So to do that, what I'm going to do is actually move this a bit forward in time. Select the keyframes, press F9, go into the graph and let's drag this like so. Go into the graph here and I'm going to tweak this a little bit like so. Also, I'm going to turn on the motion blur. So let's select everything. Turn on the motion blur to get a really nice look. Okay, so that is looking perfect. And finally, I will duplicate this top layer, press Ctrl D, move this a few frames forward in time, and then replace this with the main logo comp like so. And on this, finally, I will add the CC light sweep again. And let's give it a nice red color. And I'm going to animate this. So let's go right here. Going to move this one right over here. Create a keyframe, go back and set this right here. We can increase the intensity a bit more like so. Pretty cool. So there we have our really interesting Netflix style logo animation inside of After Effects. So you can play around with this technique and create some really interesting animations out of this. So for example, I can even add a rotating animation. So if I go into my camera, press R to bring down the rotation. Let's go right here. Create a keyframe on the Z rotation, go at the very start. And if I rotate this a little bit, maybe like so. And we have this nice, rotating animation, as you can see. Even jump into the graph and tweak this a little bit. So we have a little bit of movement in our rotation, so maybe a bit more. So that is a wrap for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to like this video, and if you're watching my video for the very first time, please do subscribe to the channel. This is one of the simplest logo animation tutorial. I think I have more complex logo animations on my channel, to which I have already made a playlist, which you can check it out in the playlist section or click on the link in the description below. We have logo animations, typography animations, slideshows, intros and everything. Like I have made over 500 tutorials on After Effects. So I definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check them out. All the links are in the description below. And if you're feeling generous, please do support us on Patreon. You can follow me on Instagram at dope.motions. Again, all the links are in the description. So with that said, I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and always stay raw, stay creative. Peace out.